Hello everyone, I'm Liana with Music Academy International. Welcome to my channel. If you are new, please check into the part 1 and part 2. This is the part 3 on Chopin Nocturne, Opus 9 number 1. Okay, and again, if you are new, welcome again to my channel. If you are, welcome again to my channel, and please check our playlist. We're having over 100 videos, tutorials for beginners, intermediate, advanced, and so on and so forth. I would suggest you to do listen all the way to the end, as I'm gonna tell you a lot of tips how to understand this part of the nocturne. And now let's get started, and I'm gonna switch the camera on the top one, so you're gonna see my hands. And let's do this. Okay, so here we are back. Measure number 52, in which it would be this part. Right? But I'm gonna start this one. I'm gonna start first with some technicality, and then definitely I wanna talk with you about the transition into this little ending of part B. Okay, so what am I gonna say today? It's the same. Left hand, as you can see me again, I'm creating a little bit of a rotation on the left hand. Right, so mostly we're gonna have exactly the same thing until measure 59, where it's changing, and then it's starting this one. Right? Some people, I'm gonna give you 2 ways. I am playing it this way with a 4. Same with the rotation. Some people, they would do kind of, I believe, this one. Hold on. This. So if I would come from this arpeggio, that's maybe it's easier, and then it's gonna be here. Doing like that, it's fine. I am not. I am doing this. Right. As you can see, I'm taking everything with the this with the meat of the. I'm not keeping this. My wrist, it's totally fluid, and I'm creating a circular motion of the wrist. The same situation is happening here when it's a little bit harder. Measure number 68. So we will talk about this portion when I'm gonna get there with the right hand as well. Now, the interpretation on this one, it's when I learned it feels a little bit awkward. This fortissimo, we're having a double forte. It's not only a forte, it's a fortissimo that Chopin wants here. So from here. About interpretation on this one. Well, so fortissimo in Chopin is not the same fortissimo as in Beethoven. So it's more you know, it's more appassionato or passionable, you know, like passion. As you can see, I'm not doing a strong forte, I'm mostly cushion into the sound. Right? For technicality, do practice this one. So as you can see, again, I am doing perfectly legato on the 4 and 5, and highlighted absolutely, and the bottom to that a little softer. And I can disconnect the bottom. With a little crescendo on it. Right? So again, we're having a forte in which we do have an accent, and definitely the pinky is gonna be stronger. Again, end the phrase here, don't forget. Right, the last one, it's softer than the first one. So next. Again, I was doing crescendo and, you know, and a little bit diminuendo. Now we're having this part in which is with force, con forza. That means really strong. So you gotta see it as one angle and go. One angle and go, right? So find the right fingering for you and make it crisp and nice, and you know, so practice this one. And right now we're having exactly the same thing, an octave lower, but this one, it's pianissimo, double piano, 2 pianos, right? Like an echo. So like really farther away. So after you do all this drama here, as you can see, you can even use the left pedal here. And then in this situation on the left hand, I'm doing a little bit of accelerando on those 2 measures. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, I'm using this fingering. Again, we're having a triple piano. That means pianissimo. It's not only pianissimo, it's pianissimo. And then it's legatissimo, extremely legato, and it's extremely, definitely lots of pianists, they're using here the left pedal, you know, to be like a veil, like really far away. Again, in this video, I'm not using it, but again, I'm stretching and pulling the time as I feel to do it. Extremely legato on the tip, on the top. the sempre pianissimo measure number 66. We have sempre pianissimo on measure number 68 here. Again, we're having a little sforzando on the right hand after you do this part. And now it's a sforzando tone. And a little bit of accent, you can use it on the left hand. And the big rallentando and dolcissimo comes right now. Right? I love this part. I really enjoy, I really like. Enjoyed. Let me switch the camera for the last thought. Hello back. Yes, it's me. How did you like it? Right? So please leave the comments. Do practice this one. I would like to hear feedbacks from you, so I would get inspired with exactly any questions you might have. What can I say? It's a work in progress. Don't give up. Practice and practice and practice, and it will come better, right? Every day a little bit, every day a little bit. I do like this. It's one of my favorite Chopin nocturnes with the OP9 number 2, and then both of them, the posthumous ones, I want to do them as well. That are my favorite. You do have my interpretation on this channel. I did record it, not with a great microphone, but I will record it very soon on a recording studio, so I will have a really, really good sound, so you can, really hear what I'm doing it, So nothing, thank you so much for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe and help me to grow this channel, that it's a new channel. So see you in the next one, part 4, starting with measure number 71 all the way to the end. Okay, thank you so much.